Welcome to the short BAABS hose installation video. We will show the components, how they fit together, and explain the assembly process. Here are the parts that come standard with the short BAABS assembly. You'll get one BAABS short rail base assembly, which fits onto most brands of blast hoses, sized 3/4 inch to 1 1/2 inch ID. The size of the blast hose determines the size of the blast hose grippers to be used. The grippers come uninstalled, and in this video we are using the appropriate ones for a 1-inch hose. You'll get also one G3 trigger deadman, which is available in either electric or pneumatic, with a 2 or 3 position options available. Also included is one thrust management brace assembly. There's 2 safety pins, which are included to complete the installation process. Also shown is the side grip handle, which is mounted on the rail base assembly. Here are the steps for the assembly. Step 1. Insert 2 of the appropriately sized blast hose grippers into each side of the BAABS rail base assembly. Step 2. Install the G3 trigger deadman onto the base. Use the hash marks on the rail to properly align it, and then lock it into position with the locking knob. Step 3. Install the thrust management brace assembly as shown by sliding it onto the rail base assembly. This component is marked with an L or an R for left and right and can be installed either way to suit the blaster. Step 4. Open the BAABS short rail system to install the hose. Place the blast hose in the middle of the assembly with the nozzle holder situated near the BAABS assembly end. Close the 2 halves over the hose, engaging the center latch to hold the 2 halves in position. Then swing the main 2 latches with the T-shaped ends into the slots. Then swing the latch arms over to clamp the assembly together. Step 5. Install the safety pins into position as shown. Accessories are available to add to the assembly, one being the side grip, which slides onto the base using the hash marks for proper alignment. Lock the side grip into place using the locking knob. The side grip handle can be adjusted by unscrewing the handle and swinging it into the desired position. Tighten the handle to lock it into place. There you have it, a few easy steps to assemble and attach the short BAABS system onto a blast hose.